No idea what Vlogmas Day it is, but look at my new trash can. There we go. I just got off work. Wanted to show that I actually wore my Victoria's Secret top to work today, which is a black tank top underneath, this cardigan from ASOS, and then some Express slacks. But, oh god, you guys, it's getting rough for me to, like, maintain my sanity just with the personal stress I have, just adulting, paying bills, surviving, and then just working in customer service, just the crap that we have to put up with on a daily basis. It's getting hard for us nice folks. But anyway, for today, I actually got a couple packages in, and then I'm going to attempt to cook, that is if I don't pass out, attempt to cook my next recipe, which is like this sweet pepper chicken and some quinoa with mushrooms or something. So that's what I have in store for you guys today. Have a good idea of what I'm going to do, of course, on Christmas, to show you how my family celebrates it. But yeah, so I guess the first thing I can do is open these two packages that I have, which I think are from Country Door, which is like one of those mailing catalogs you can get for the most random merchandise, which I have quite a few things from them actually now. But I could open those up. I think one might be another Christmas tree light up thing that might just stay up all year round, like my other ones. Little figurines, not like this actual tree. And then I think the other might be a shoe closet, maybe. Something that I so desperately need. I am too embarrassed to show you guys how my shoes are arranged in my little entryway, little thing, hutch, whatever it's called, and then how they are inside my hallway closet. But that's what it's for. So I guess let me get to opening those. Alright, moment of truth, folks. Oh. Oh, that's really pretty. Would you look at that? It goes through all the colors of the rainbow, including white. This is a lot prettier than I thought it would be. Yep, this is totally going to be something that's going to stay up year round. I just now have to figure out where I'm going to put it. Yep, my shelves are random, but I decided to place it up there. Oh, I bet it's really pretty in the dark. Yeah, it's actually a lot nicer than I thought it would be. Too bad the other two sizes were sold out. But anyway, decided to put that there since I got my old school lamp on the top of that IKEA shelf. This is going to be fun to put together. And that's sarcasm. Good Lord. Oh my God. I mean, I'm late. Not that I lack the ability to put stuff together. If you've been a subscriber of mine, you know that a lot of the stuff in my place, I had to put together myself. The fireplace, my entertainment center, the hutch in the entryway, all my tables, except for my kitchen table. But if I would have known this was comprised of all these different pieces, I probably would not have ordered it. All of this is supposed to turn to this. Please pray for me. But this is just comical. Do you see step one? It's, of course, before inserting the tube, please unfold both edges of fabric and make sure it looks like this. And then it shows this. Next step says, repeat it 9 times. probably would not have bought this if I would have known how difficult, of course it's not perfect, you can see how stuff is not perfectly aligned. If I would have known how difficult it was going to be, but got it done, just got to put the outer cover. Alright you guys, so it's finished for the most part. I have, oh I thought that was a bar coming undone. Not the most perfect looking thing, of course it's cheap, made in China, there's a sticker on it that actually says it. But the sole purpose of this is for shoes, basically. And as I was trying to pull this over, I actually already ripped a hole in the damn thing. But anyway, glad I had this accomplished. This is gonna go in one of my closets. I don't know if this is gonna fit in that hallway closet there, so this is gonna go into my actual closet, which you guys have never seen before. Where I can store more shoes. But anyway, God, this was actually pretty tiring. What I'm gonna do now is, I technically already scarfed down my leftover lunch, which was Burger King, a Whopper with cheese. Let me get on with my evening. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film any more beauty videos, because I've kind of gone through all the ones I've already pre-filmed, and of course I don't have my lost vlog footage as of yet, because don't know if I said before, but I'm gonna send my hard drive off. The earliest would be the first weekend in January, because that's when I'll be able to afford it. But anyway, I'm rambling because I'm tired. Let me get on with my evening.